National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Minnesota as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota. This will be in effect until 2 p.m. this Thursday afternoon. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. Also remember, another test tornado drill will occur at 6:45 p.m. this evening. We now return to normal